I'm really excited about how the Brussels sprouts turned out. Since this is my first year, I never saw it go through winter. Here we go. First time I've seen it go through the winter. Yeah, remember they were all looking like they were never gonna breathe again. This is a little soft around the edges, like it got some windburn, but down here, look at that. That's just perfect. Just like summer leaves after all that snow and ice. 20 degrees, 20-mile-an-hour winds at the max. And they're still here. So anyway, if you want something durable for winter, and look at that, there's still some food on the stalks. Yeah, let's look at the parsley. Of course, it always makes it. Look at that, parsley went right up through that bad weather. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that.